Now explain why temperatures are high all over the year round in equatorial. So what is the explanation? No one explained it properly. Why temperatures are high all around the year? Valerie, what do you think? Why are temperatures generally high in the equatorial regions? What could be the reason temperatures are high in equatorial regions? Number one, remember these places here are closer to what? First point is that they are closer to the equator, clear. All your tropical regions are actually closer to the equator, clear? So it means they've got low latitudes. Now, if they've got low latitudes, we develop from there. If they have low latitude, what does that mean about the sun? It means the sun is almost overhead, clear? The sun is almost, I hope you're writing that down. The sun is almost overhead. So it means a high angle of sun. High angle of sun. Are we together?
Yes, sir.
Then the other point is that we have concentrated sun rays is over a small area because of the canopies. Concentrated sun rays in small areas. Area. So it's like we've got maximum insolation. Are we together? That lost one of you. Then this one, yes, someone getting 2 marks again. Then some more, or maybe haven't read and understood how desert works. Because your answer were not like sufficient. So in a desert, we have no clouds or lack of clouds. Huh? Do you agree? Or cloud cover, if you want to put it that way. Then because of this, we have got high pressure. And descending air. We have little or no evaporation. Or little evaporation. Because there is no vegetation here. No. Are we together? Then we have dry winds that blow over a large area. Then we also have the last thing, we have cold currents. Are we together? Valid? And then
Yes, sir.
Study fig 2.3.2, which shows the reasons for deforestation of tropical rainforests in Africa and South America. Africa, South America. Now use fig 3.2 only to compare percentages of tropical rainforests, deforested for what? For agriculture in America and where? For agriculture. So if it's for agriculture, we are comparing both subsistence and what? You could have done a table. No one did a table. Huh? Did you forget what I said last time? If you want to make life easy. Africa, yeah, look at this. South America. It makes my explanations better. Remember, we're concentrating with agriculture. So these two here. So then here I write subsistence. Subsistence. Agriculture. Okay. Then I have commercial. Agriculture. Less explanation clear. Are we together? So deforestation. Clear. So now for Africa, subsistence, okay, so subsistence is 40%. Do you agree? Both of you? 40%. Yeah, agree? Then commercial is what percentage? From 40 to what? Isn't it 75?
Yes, sir.
So 40 to 75 is 30 what? 35%. You see how I'm doing my table? Makes the explanation easy. So like that. Then South America, maybe we can say 18%. Then we say from 18 to, so 85 minus 18. So 7 to 6, 67%. That making sense? Then because you've done the table like this, you simply summarize and you say high subsistence. Deforestation in Africa. Done. South America, clear? Then you say high commercial deforestation, clear? In South America, Africa. You see now I've done my table. Much better. Making sense? Don't have to write paragraphs. So now, that's how you answer such questions. That's the better way to answer. Suggest other reasons. So if your question is like this here, I don't know why you were somewhere writing 3 and not giving us 5 or even more than 5. It means you don't have to explain. So you're simply giving the reasons why people cut down trees. Some of you did so. The reasons for cutting down trees, firewood. Do you agree? The reasons for cutting down timber, construction of roads, development of settlements in that area, the mining, extraction of minerals.
What about oil? Looking for oil?
Yeah, do you find oil in trees or or you find oil in seas?
No.
Oil is in seas, huh? Industrial development, building of factories. Industrial development. Building of factories. Are we together? Can be also for manufacture of paper. Need timber. Are we together? Yeah, they talk about the extraction of oil. You can get it right from there. That's very okay. Clear. So they can mark extraction of oil. If you find oil, you may find oil exists. How will you do that? Dam construction. Any of those parts. Are you happy?
Yes, sir.
Now, for a named tropical area you've studied, explain how do you know if you lie now, you give it all. The area that is only tropical rainforest, when you get 5 marks out of 7, all your points are correct. Is threatening local natural environment. So I want the every listen, there's no need to explain, you know the explanation. So deforestation number 1, it means animals lose what? Hmm? Clear? It means it affects biodiversity. Clear? Are we together? It leads to soil erosion. Leaching of soil nutrition. Soil fertility. Now, clear? It leads to flooding, obvious. We talked about it. It leads to flooding, which can destroy the environment. Huh? It also leads to river pollution. Explain all those points. It also leads to increase in so air pollution, global warming. Clear? I already did that. Now number 4. What is meant by coastal erosion? Just think of your choice, the wearing away or washing away of the coastal areas by sea waves. Is the wearing away of coastal areas by sea waves. Then they were supposed to analyze these pictures. Yeah? I think everyone got this one. 4.1. Then this year was 4.3. Now the coastline shown in figure and eroded. So now it was to explain, these are things from your notes that some people have like forgotten. So corrosion or abrasion, what is it? So it's when your rocks or when your load in your water is thrown at the cliff or the lander, okay, and it erodes it. Then corrosion is solution, it's the minerals, like your calcium carbonate. Minerals in the rocks are dissolved by the water in the travel as a solution. Hydraulic is when the shear power of your water hits against your cracks. Clear? All together. 3 marks for free. Stay in your notes. Now suggest why people live along the coastline. Yeah, most of you may get correct. Like someone. So some can live for fishing. We agree. Employment or tourism. Agriculture. Which A and merchants. Are we together? Now guys, the scenic beauty, no one mentioned that. The scenic beauty of the coast. It's also quiet and peaceful. Now are we together there? Both of you. Now, describe how Godavari sense speed changed from 18 to that, from 1889 to 50. So there are things, more things that we're supposed to say. Now the speech has increased, has become longer. But no one mentioned we actually have it here, the picture. No one mentioned that it has become longer from 7 to 8 kilometers. It is extended to the northwest. The gap in the speed has been filled. It's now continuous, joined to the length. The end has kept. All these things we're supposed to mention just by looking at the picture and explaining things that we see. Send speed. Suggest how the coastal process has changed. So yeah, send speed here, no one really explained properly. It's the formation of this. Are we together? So the first thing is that you have got longshore drift, but it's there in the nursery. Longshore drift. Then we have got prevailing winds from the south. Winds from the south. Okay. Then the winds approach at an angle. That's not to do formation of speed. Winds approach at an angle. So we need to know this now. An angle. Are we together? Then this swash approach at the same angle as the wind. Clear? Then the back wash at right angles. In zigzag. Movements. Clear? Then the beach material, when that happens. Move from south to north. Clear? Are we together? So this is in your notes. And the last question is also in your notes here. I actually gave you the notes. I think there's a PDF. Do you remember the notes that I sent you on this year? Do you remember that I once sent you notes? Let me show you. Maybe you might need to go again over this notes. It's a small PDF with these notes as summary. Let me show you what I'm talking about. It actually has these notes here and all notes on the river management. So again, I'm asking you to go over this notes again because no one really explained it, which means you have forgotten some stuff. I mean, just recently. So go and check here on it's on coastal management. And maybe you lost it so recently. Or you were not reading. Just check your phones. I am sending just now. Can you go over that PDF? That's your assignment for this week. So that we know everything on that PDF in and out. Huh?
Okay, sir.
We'll see you.